welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is saying, why do we promote age rich on our pages? He's saying that basically there's someone out there that is using teenage daughter's picture and article to try to get to her. So, guys, you have to go ahead and catch the video to hear what Dwayne has to say about this. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies and supporters out there, I wish you a wonderful day filled with joy as well. Keep that smile upon your face as always, and don't let anyone take that away from you. Remember, the only way someone can take your smile is if you give them the power to. Now, if you allow someone else to smile today, by giving a joke, something, that's a plus for you too. So do that and live, love, laugh, always smiling, as I said before. But have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day now.
Ask me why nobody buy sickness. 1 second, me have a delivery. Oh, please share, man. I'm telling you now. Me I try something new. I'm doing business. It's full time. I take control of my platform. This is my page. Family page. Mine. 1 second, I'm coming. I'm feeling very festive. Hold on. Hold on. I'm coming. Sorry, I'm coming delivery, man. Hold on. I'm come, man, you come. Hello. Hello. Hi. It's fine. Yup. There you go. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Bye. I'm sorry, I'm coming. I am coming now. I had to put down my delivery. It is heavy. And half my body paralyzed. So I can't really function well. But I'm coming now. I am back. I am so sorry, people. I'm very sorry. So, what may I say? The people them keep on using the young woman for drag her mother. Them post the girl on them page. Not just that. Them keep on posting articles on them page to provoke this woman in hopes of this woman coming out here and reacting, and then they can come out here and class like that's what I say. The people are big people, grown ass people who should know wrong from right. What I'm told no. Nonsense. I want to find a job from Sky. Or what? Because on the feast when he's winning, other people should be miserable paya. And now go work no more. If you stop it. I'm not calling them, I'm not calling the name, I'm not calling on the name. On the self, on the people them. Encourage them to stop this bullshit. Enough of it now. Please, people, share the live. I'm begging the local shares. I'm telling me I'm going out. And it's gonna be my voice alone. For some for some part. Some part is gonna be my voice alone another year. In fact, most of it gonna hear my voice alone. Understand? May I try something new. I have to. They don't care about hurting. They don't care. They care about hurting the people they They're fighting. And that's sad. Kennedy, that is sad. That is very sad. That is very sad to see that these grown people out here who God has blessed. God has blessed all of us. Me, you, all of us. God bless. Without God in the midst, nothing wouldn't have 5,000 followers and nothing gone past 80,000. Why are we using our pages? Why do we continue to use our pages to promote hatred? Why? Well, we get to know tight. It's factual. What? When you get to know tight, using your page to promote hatred and getting your followers to hate other people, and then the hatred it just spread like wildfire, and new followers come and add them to that hatred, and then it's like it's gonna be a never-ending cycle. You understand? I want to stop it now, man. I want to stop it. Full time. I want to stop this nonsense. If me can say we stop this now, we stop it now. Stop using people's children against them. Nobody pitney, no go shop and say, yo, sell me cancer, yo, sell me stroke, yo, sell me brain tumor. Nobody pitney, no go store as a, let me buy this. No one's child. You know, no parent could have fathomed, could have even imagined and pitney and go to such a diabolical, a detrimental sickness like cancer, stroke, brain tumor. You name it. You name it. Some of you who's engaged in this bullshit too, even the same, Miss one woman who her foot chop off, the woman foot chop off, but yet she's there engaging in bullshit when I go nowhere. Every day, these grown ass people, every day, the world I wanna can't see me because it's not me. I only play with the mix-up. Never me. I never know mix-up. I'm gonna play for the mix-up. So who is the real culprits out here? Oh no! What if it chill out? Correct me if I'm wrong, people. Correct me if I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong. Who are the real culprits out here? Is it me who's playing the mix-up? Is it someone else who's playing the mix-up? Or is it the people who's fueling the mix-up and starting the mixup? Who are the real culprits out here? Or perhaps the real instigators? Who are they? I don't instigate nothing. If they're not gonna play live and cause problem, I don't have nothing to take to my page. Nothing at all. Not one. Sometimes when I mix up, ask Sharon Ricketts. I come out there and name up myself. I come name up myself as I stay. When I have nothing to go on my life, I come out and I eat up myself. Come to Lord God. Then I could have walked on and so. Where are the mix-up people then? How come only go mix-up yesterday, the day before, and now giving unto them? No! But what the mix-up there? Send on the mix-up. And here they come with their mix-up self. And then that causes more confusion and more toxicity. And the followers, they join in and tear down people picnic talk. Who's going through illness, sickness like cancer. Me know one woman pan alive right now. One woman pan alive right now. Her breast get cut off because she have cancer. I mean, I call her, she know, I say, lady, you know yourself. You told me see your breast get cut off because you have cancer. Acho, cancer is a wicked sickness. Cancer kill people. Most people who have cancer, them dead like dog. Them dead. And I'm sorry to be this vocal. To everyone, I'm sorry to be this vocal, but illness like this, cancer, stroke, brain tumors, whatever, it is very near and dear to me because these things can kill people. It can kill people. How many people go in the hospital with strokes or perhaps having a brain tumor or perhaps even having something as heinous as cancer come out? How much people come out of the hospital? Very few. Asking themselves why, because these things are killers, them murderation people. Exactly, Michelle. You should be scared. We all of us, when the one away, we want in our house and lay down and just dead. All of us aspire or hope One day, when I feel it time to leave this world, we wanna lay down in our bed and leave this world peacefully without having any kind of illness. We just want to just leave the world peacefully. And I'm sure all of you want the same too. The whole of you want the same too. I don't know why I grow up. I grew up in that age, and then sickness start back. So no one wants that. Not even me. I could have not contemplated. I could have not fathomed that me in my early 30s. I swear on the God I love. Me in my early 30s, I could have not fathomed or even contemplated I would have had a brain tumor. Not to mention, and even a stroke to my right side rendered my right side entire half, 3/4 messed up. It don't function. My right side does not function. When I'm outside, I walk with a cane, with a crutch. I didn't know it was gonna happen to me, but it happened. It happened. You understand? It happens. People go through things every day. Some people right now as we speak, right now as I'm talking to you people right now, there's people dying, babies dying, but yet you have grown people out here that God blesses every day to come out and see the beautiful sunshine, the beautiful trees, the earth, the land, the insects, whatever, and you come out here and all you do is spread hatred, and more hatred. Why? We all have platforms. We can use our platforms to do amazing things, but no, all I want though, I come out there and go out like say on the better than other people, but while you're going like you're better than other people, you're doing your most to make or those parties look bad, and speak ill on the people too, to bring them down. That's sad. This is not life. I posted a quote today. I posted a long quote today. Or if you take the time, I'm going to read it. Go and read that quote. Go read it. It is a very long quote. Very long. I'm going to piece it actually. I'm going to piece it. It says, success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. I like a snippet. Go read the rest for yourself. Read the rest for yourselves. A lot of you don't want to hear me because you feel like I come out here and I don't instigate. I never instigate. I'm on the God I love. On the God I love. I've never once instigated no rift between nobody. If people don't take to their pages and cause their dramas, I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing at all to come on here with me. I don't my TikTok, but chat shit with my friend them and laugh and go out with themselves. Oh, and drag each other too. Understand? To sum up the whole topic about this whole Tina Trinidad saga, you people should stop using that young woman shining against her mother, right? Not for you parents died of illnesses. A lot of your parents died of illnesses that could have not been cured or not been, it just couldn't help them. The medicine that's out here today, it could not help them, so they died. Break up your folly grounds looking at yourself on our big people. Not for you, it could be my grandmother. Not for you, it could be my grandmother. Not for you, it could be my aunties. And it's you people out here causing all this chaos. I see people out here who post. I'm not going to that part there. That person is not them doing an argument. And if stop it, and also stop paying people. Stop paying people to curse people. Let them go look walk. A lot of you have your full mobility. Not one part of your body not hurt you. Go look walk. And stop coming out here and causing chaos and dragging people because you're getting a buck, 2 or 3. Relax. Have fun. And make your platform matter. And I swear to God, from this day moving forward, I'm gonna do my best to make my platform matter. Call a spade a spade. accountability is a beautiful thing. You know, today I was on TikTok and this woman, she came my friend's TikTok. I was in the box, right? I don't know why this woman, she mentioned Donna's name to me. I said, lady, I am done going back and forth with Donna. I am done. I'm done. Because how is that benefiting my life? How? Is it making my life better or is it making my life worse? No. So what is the point? What am I gaining from this nonsense? What? Oh, raise adrenaline? More gray hairs? High blood pressure? What may I get from it? Am I getting fatter? Am I getting skinnier? Am I getting wealthier? What am I gaining from it? Nothing. Just drag, more drag. Every day you want to come drag. Every day you want drag. Relax, on our big people. Relax, man. Relax. Life should mean more than this. It is a blessing for all of us, all of you, to be here this day. A lot of people are dying right now. Count yourself blessed and stop with the bullshit and stop using people's children against them, especially those who love to drag little babies. Stop it. It don't look good. It does not look good. And all of you have platforms. You can use a platform perhaps to spread awareness, or I don't know. Just try and find something that's more meaningful. Try and find something that people can perhaps relate to even more. Make whatever it is you're talking about on your page, make it make sense, and just stop coming out every day with the same bullshit. Some of you are in your 50s. Some of you platform holders are in your 50s. You're not looking at the facts of life. Time waits for none of us. Time waits for none of we. Understand? Try and do better. I'm not gonna say just try. When I force somebody, all I know is I'm gonna do my best now to make my time on social media actually matters. And that's it. Who don't believe me? Oh, like, I don't give one shit. I don't give one rasta clat. I don't care. It is what it is. Understand? Anyways, teenage daughter Shanna, I am sorry. I am so sorry to hear that you're going through such a wicked disease. I pray to God you come through. I pray to God you will come through on the other side. And, you know, God will get you there. God will get... Raphael, you need to come off my page. You are one of those people who love the BS. I bet you're a grown-ass man or probably a grown-ass woman with children. I want your caca grey, but yes, you're out here spilling hatred or being hateful. Whether I'm too late or not, it is better I am late than never. Don't you know that saying? Your granny never tell that saying, Raphael? Better late than never. It better you're late than never, Baba. You understand? It better you're late than never. Sing with me. It better you're late than never. You understand? I'm there now. I'm good now. Back off. Come off my page. And go and find something constructive to do your damn time. I'm sure you have your fully fledged mobility. Find a job. Go wash your plate then. Go and clean your home. Do something that is constructive. Do something that's more meaningful. Start this up. Alright? Leave me be. I'm good over here. You're right. I'm gonna ban him. You're right. So get off my page. Ban. You just got yourself a hot block. And no one I block will ever be unblocked. None of you. I don't care. I want to build my audience for me, not for you people. Because Teen is your friend. You're sad. You are pathetic. Teen is not my friend. I don't know Teen from nowhere. Let's move on to topic number 2, people. You see, these people, all they